What kind of power do you think it's gonna put out?
650 up to 750.
How much power is she gonna make?
Hopefully enough to beat some of these guys out here.
As far as you're in the car,
Yeah,
what do you think this thing's gonna put out on the dyno?
I'm hoping for like 560-ish, somewhere in that range.
To the wheels?
To the wheels, we're trying to figure out what gear is 1-to-1 so that we make sure we dyno it in 1-to-1. It's hot out though.
What kind of difference does that make?
You just want it in that final drive that's 1-to-1 to put the power down. So with the 10-speed, we're just figuring out which gear that needs to be. So it looks like first little baby pull, 511 ready. Should be good. I don't know who was closest. What were all our guesses?
Well, mine was, what, 580?
Maybe they had
How do you feel about this 511 number?
Pretty good, pretty good. It's getting warmed up. It's a kind of a warm day, but it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's rated 650 at the crank, so whatever I put down there, first run. You can see the run conditions here. It's 96 degrees, so.
We just put our first car on, and now we got Josh Stevens' 69 Dodge Charger on the dyno. He's about to do a couple pulls and see what kind of power he's making in that 5.7 liter Hemi. All right, Josh, you're the first charger of the day on the dyno. How much power is she gonna make?
Hopefully enough to beat some of these guys out here. That's all I care about.
Oh, snap.
How'd we do? 330. Ran good. 330 on the wheels?
330.
How do you feel about it?
I feel okay about it. I mean, it sounded ridiculously
insane.
nice. That's all I care about.
Have you ever heard it make a noise like that before?
No, I think people were getting scared around here. Women and children were running.
Alright guys, we got an insane beast, the Datsun, right here on the dyno. Let's see what kind of power this thing puts up. Look at those big tires.
We have the meat.
So tell me about your car real quick. What is this thing?
It's a 74 260Z, been modified, all-purpose drag car. It's considered a back half car. Firewall forward's factory, firewall aft is all tube chassis.
Wow.
Ford 9-inch rear end, it's got a 2-speed glide in it, Chevrolet motor, small block, makes 458 horse at the wheel, so
Yeah, that's damn good.
yeah, it's not too bad. Nice and loud.
Yeah, nice and loud. That's how it needs to be.
Yes. It's
my neighbor Jim Farley. I was walking my dog and I saw a badass gasser sitting in the garage, and I was like, man, I gotta go meet this guy. I've lived there for 10 years, and he's got that thing tucked away back there. So I'm really glad he brought it out today.
At 5.75.
It's breaking up top.
It's breaking up. So you're making all your power at 5.5. Okay. So, but they came together right here.
So that's what's happening.
That's when your torque and your horsepower is coming together.
Yeah, well, it did some mean pulls. That thing sounds amazing.
I think it's the only car that really pulled the wheels off the ground today. So
Yeah, Chris invited me to this gig, and I'm real grateful for that and thankful. And
yeah,
Glad you had fun.
we learned a lot of things about my gasser, and we're going to go home and make the necessary repairs.
there you go.
We'll be back bigger and badder.
I'll be back.
All right.
There you go.
All right, we got Saul right here
What's up, guys?
from SOS Customz. He is about to see if he can beat the best dyno time so far of the day. It's 5.11 to the wheels from the Camaro ZL1. Let's see if Saul's twin turbo LS3 powered 69 Camaro can beat it. So let's see what happens. What kind of power do you think it's gonna put up?
I think, I mean, from what I was told, I haven't never put on a dyno. It's been street driven, somewhere in the neck of the woods of 650 up to 750. So
Okay.
hopefully it's up there. We'll find out. And this is low boost, so we'll see
Dude,
what
I'm
it does.
excited. Let's see how she does.
Oh, that's good.
All right, guys. What kind of guesses we got up in here? 550?
550.
To the wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah?
610.
610.
580, 580, 580.
580, all right.
600. I've been
600
doing my
flat.
numbers today. I've been doing my numbers
I say
today.
595.
595, all right. Okay.
That was a little too precise, homie. What you know that we don't know? Ain't too precise. This came from the shop.
That's Darden over there. That's my tuner. So he's seen a lot of these cars. He knows what's up. So
All right, he's got the inside, yeah. So we're adding a little weight in the trunk.
Video location.
So Saul's adding some sandbags.
I'm a secret weapon.
You have to hide in there with the trunk closed though so that nobody can find out.
I am the nitrous bottle.
What is going on? What do you got him doing?
hey, another 40 horsepower to push it down.
Needed some downforce.
Downforce.
That says 739.
Oh my sweet Jesus.
There it is. baby.
God, dude.
We're taking the nine. That's what I'm saying, baby. Hey, that's why I can't get down the track, baby. I need to get some stickier tires.
Yeah.
What'd you guys go? What was it?
7:39. 7. Okay, now you guys have to beat that time.
I was talking about it was all about that downforce.
Hey, can we have Kevin? Hey, let's have Kevin be in the trunk the whole way of the race. So I can stay down there.
Just put me in the engine bay. I'll be the motor.
All right, guys. So the winner of the mobile dyno today was Saul.
Yeah,
he took it home.
I won something.
As far as the one was our runner-up, but he works here, so he doesn't get in there.
Yeah, it doesn't count.
So for winning the mobile dyno, so we got you this Golden Shine Deluxe detail kit.
There you go.
So we got tons of stuff in there.
Datsun, get all the cars detailed up real nice.
Yep.
Keep all them horsepowers clean.
There you go. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for coming, man. Badass Camaro, dude.
Thank you, and really appreciate RestoMod inviting us over.
Absolutely,
bringing
man.
the cars, having fun out here, and
Thank you guys for the interior on that 71 Challenger. If you guys like that interior, big thanks to them. That's all them. So
go to RestoMods and win that thing.
Very
Thank you. All right, guys.